guys, welcome to the ninth day of our coding challenge series, and today we are solving this particular problem, which is find number with even number of digits. So we are given an array nums of integers and we need to return how many of them contain an even number of digits. So 1 and 2 contains 2 digits, so it is even number of digits, so we will increase the counter by 1. Similarly, this is odd, 3 digits is odd, so we won't count it. 2 is odd, 6 is odd, and 7 and 9 6 I have 4 digits, so we will count it. So the counter will become 2 and we get an output as 2. So I hope you understood the question. Now let's solve the problem. So first I'll initialize a counter equals to 0, then run a for loop over the nums array, nums dot length I plus plus, and then close it. And then what I'll do is I'll first of all take out each value in the nums array which are integer in type. So I'll convert each integer type to string. So for that I'll initialize one more variable, string convert int to string. So I'll call it convert int and use this convert int equals to, and the way I'll convert it is using string dot value of and nums I. So using this way we can take out each value from the nums array and convert it. Okay, 1 second, nums I and close it. So this way I'm taking out each value in the nums array and then converting it into string and putting it into the variable convert int. So now I'll check if convert int dot length, if we divide it by 2, so the remainder should give us 0. That means it has even number of digits. And then I'll close the braces. Okay, after closing the braces I am checking if the digits are even number of digits or not, and if they are, so I'll just simply increase the counter and then just simply return count. So let's run this and let's see if the test case is passed. Percentage 2 equals to 0. Oh yeah, I forgot to put t. Okay, so the test case is passed, and now let's submit the solution. And we got a runtime of 2 milliseconds. Perfect. I hope you guys understood the solution, and if you have any questions, so feel free to ask them using the comment section, and then see you guys in the next video.